contact with the Permaculture Association around that time, and all kind of the networks that are around the country and international groups. And it was just this world of people that were doing amazing, inspiring things that I just thought, this is who I want to surround me and my family with. This is just great.
The Permaculture Association of Britain's website, there are lots of resources there. Just make sure you spend some time to explore it. One of the things that I used myself when I was writing my own dissertation on permaculture is that I went to the opportunities section and requests section, and I put in a request asking for anyone who's got some knowledge about the Himalayan region or some interesting resources, if they could just share with me. And I ended up using one of those people's recommended books. It was a very key resource for me. So people are out there to help you. I mean, I've been a member for 3-4 years now, and I'm very happy with it, and planning to be a lifetime member soon as well. So that's one thing. And also the other thing is to benefit from looking at the profiles of the educators and looking at the courses that you can take. So you have a very wide variety of like certified courses and all sorts of specialties. You want to learn about mushrooms, it's there. You want to learn about building, it's there. You don't want to go to London, that's fine. You want to be somewhere in Spain, it's also there. So I think Permaculture Association of Britain is really trying hard to include as many people as possible from around the world as well with their courses. And I think that's one of the positives of it. And take it as a way to you becoming a permaculture consultant or teacher yourself later on. So it's really nice to go through the stage of using the website as a student member, and then as an individual member, and then as an educator member. So just make the use out of the jobs, opportunities, and requests section, the courses section, and all the happenings, like and now try to go to the Convergence, National Permaculture Convergence, try to go to the London Permaculture Festival. Everything is there for you. So you contact Ryan and Gemma and everyone, they're always so helpful. So don't miss the chance, and make the most of it, definitely.